Welcome, here we've got Motorola One Action and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the photo size. We have this in the rear camera settings and also in the selfie camera settings. So for now, for example, let me pick the rear camera settings and here the photo size. By tapping on this, as you can see, we have access to some settings we can manage. Here we have ratio and this is connected with the resolution, so the quality here. So for now it was 4:3 ratio, let's change it to 16:9. And in the preview, as you can see, this is how it changes. When I go to the camera again, we can see that this ratio of this camera in the background also has changed to the longer one. And this is also connected with the resolution. So 4:3 is connected with 12 or 8 megapixels resolution and 16:9 is connected with 9 and 4 or 6. Let's change it to the 21:9. As you can see, this is a little bit shorter one. And when I go back to the camera, we can see that this ratio is the full screen ratio of this camera. And this is connected also with other resolution, 7 and 2 megapixels or 4 and 6. And this is how to change this. The same thing we have in the selfie camera. When I tap on the photo size, we can see the same settings here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.